What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna test this car diagnostic scanner. Let's do it. Alright guys, we're back. Today we're gonna test this one car diagnostic scanner from AUDEW. Okay, this one we're gonna see what it can do. It's to see the check engine lights or everything, to see that it has on the computer, for the car computer. So let's open it and let's see how it works and what it does. Okay, so we're back again. The Corolla right there. It's clean, but it's cloudy today. Okay, let's open the box. Okay, one thing, when you plug this thing in, make sure that the car is off. Okay, turn off the car, and when you want to remove this thing to unplug it, the car has to be off too. Okay, never remove this one when the car is on. Okay. Alright guys, the OBD scanner is already there. So after you do that, you have to turn on the car. Okay, let me turn off the air, turn off the stereo. Okay, so mine already needs the oil change. I will do a video soon for that one. Okay, so after you do that, the OBD the scanner is connected to the car is on. You have to go to the Wi-Fi and then look for the Wi-Fi OBD. Connect to that one. Then it's gonna say connected. Okay. Then you have to go to the App Store and search for let me see, OBD2. No, sorry, wrong spelling. OBD2, that one. And then you have plenty options of apps, free apps, some $9.99, free, $9.99, $14.99. So you have a lot of options. Okay, and you have to download one of those. Okay, to use the scanner. I already have 1, 2, 3 different ones. So let's test the first one. The first one, it says connecting. Yeah, it's connected. You have to click this one and this app here to connect. Okay, and remember, it has to be through Wi-Fi. Let me see if you are seeing that. This one will only connect by Wi-Fi. If you want to change it to the Wi-Fi, you have to go here, connectivity, and then in here Wi-Fi. Okay, so mine is already connected. And then let's go to the status. Right there, you can see it. It moves. I don't know if I can change this, but yeah. So That's the only thing. If you want more specifications, you have to buy the app. Okay, in here everything fine, diagnosed, yes, everything good. All right, so now sensors, RPM, you can see it right there moving. Temperature, let me see if we can put it on Celsius. Well, it's still the same. It's getting hotter because it was cold. Okay, so this app is good. The name of this app is AUDEW Doctor. AUDEW Doctor. So now let's close that one and use the next one. So this one we have to connect here, connection, and Toyota, this one, so it's connected. Okay, next process detected. Okay, so now let's see diagnostic status, completed, misfire, catalytic. Well, you have to buy the app if you want more options. Okay, so let's go back. Trouble codes, no codes. Okay, if you want better app, you have to buy a better app. Okay, performance. Okay, this one has a 0 to 60 option. We will test this in another occasion. Okay, for now we are just seeing how it works. Okay, so now let's use another app. This one is the, well, let me see, the last one was OBD. You can see it there, OBD. Now this one is car scanner. And then for the connection, just click connect. Whatever. Dashboard. I like this one. Okay, that's the RPM, temperature. Do they have more things? Wow, this one, I like this app better. This one is car scanner app. Wow, I like it. Now what else? Diagnostic. I don't know. Sorry, I'm not that good on like codes on those things, but it has the 0 to 62. I like it. 0 to 40, but this one is kilometers. Okay, this one is good too. You can see there how it works. It works great. This scanner is to see the check engine lights, like the dashboard. You can see this because some cars, they don't have like a coolant temp, the gauge, they don't have it. And other apps, but paid apps, so the scanner works great, and it depending on the app you have, you will have more options, more data and codes and everything. You can clear the code and all those. Okay, but depending on the app, the better the information you will have. Alright guys, this is the OBD2 scanner from AUDEW. The scanner works great. Okay, the connection is very good, but remember you have to connect the Wi-Fi. After you plug this in, turn the car on and then connect the Wi-Fi through your phone. Okay, if you don't do that, the apps won't work. Okay, so the app, this one works great, but remember, the better the app, the more information you're gonna get for the car, for the computer. Okay, the free apps, they work great. I like the ones I got over there. The information was good, but maybe you want to know all the information, the miles per hour, the RPM, the fuel consumption, the MPG, all those things. If your car doesn't have it, you can get it through this. Okay, you can see the check engine lights, and you can clear the codes with this scanner. Okay, so the scanner works great. It's around $15. I think the price is very good. I think it's great, and the app is free. But or if you get a better app, they are around $5 to $10. So I think the $10 app, those are better. But I don't know. With the free, I can live with the free. But let me know what you guys think about the scanner. Okay, put in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video. The link is gonna be on the description of the video.